Alright guys, I got the other helicopter. At least that's what I'm thinking because it has this on there. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. I don't want to waste any time. I've been waiting for this since the first, and it is now the third. So I've been waiting. Alright, so this is something else I've ordered. We'll put that over there. If this is what I ordered here. And all that is another oversized toy. It's not nothing special. And I am going to go to the hobby shop and get one of their helicopters, although it's going to have to be something kind of small. At least at my hobby shop, they don't have big helicopters there. So, it looks pretty good. I like it so far. It just looks like an oversized Salma. See that? I just unboxed this today. Looks just like it. Even got the same kind of canopy over it. It's got this little handle right here. We go to the side here. Kind of just shows a little bit of the helicopter. And on the other side is wound. And if we go on the bottom, there's nothing to read here but simple warnings. And back here, you guys remember when I opened it, there was nothing to be seen on the back. So there's no tape. Say that. But I did get this from Amazon, so I'm not too worried about it. So right off the bat, you get these spare blades, a screwdriver, and a rotor, and some pinchers. You can see the pinchers are right there. Yes, we got 2 batteries, 2 of these. See if I can get this better. Alright, so that's a 3.7 1000 mA. It's got these nickel cadmium connections, which kind of stink. I was hoping that they would be the low C kind. Another one. But the batteries do feel good. They're not swollen, and they're not damaged in any way. They look good. I'm happy with that. So far we got the blades, the battery, some blades, the battery, a screwdriver, and a USB charger. So we'll go ahead and this is 1 amp, so you only give it 1 amp. If you could even give it 500 mA, I would suggest doing that too. So if you got a charger that's 5 watts, 500 mA, it may seem slow, but it really charges these light bulbs correctly. These batteries chargers fry if you use 2 amps right away. So there's this manual here that I am going to read, but I'm not going to read now. So we got a couple of 180 motors, and it looks like a 130 too. So we got 180 motor there, another 180 motor there, and a 130 size motor there, or 132 size. So far, the rechargeable stuff looks decent. It looks like I can work with it. I can recharge those off of my hobby grade chargers, so I'm not really worried about those. But there's your instructions. And I'm going to slide the rest of this out this. This is some extra packing. Sorry guys, I know it's all out of frame, but I'm not taking anything out without you guys seeing it. So this feels kind of, I don't know. Hopefully it feels better once I put my batteries in. And it does take quite a few. And after I put batteries in, it will give the actual transmitter balance. Right now, with it being all light and hollow feeling, it has no balance. So I have to put the batteries in order to see how good the balance feels. But it feels like not too bad. It's not the best plastic, but it's not the worst. You got some are those digital? I don't think this one moves. This one and this one move, but I don't see anything moving here or here. But these two move. Maybe these got stuck inward. Maybe they got smashed. I won't know. It looks like I have to read that now. So put the transmitter down, and we're on the last piece of it, which is the actual helicopter itself. Looks like it's being held down with 2 twist ties. More twist ties. And you try to pull things from other ways and it doesn't quite work out. It's because these things always manage to get caught again. Alright, so that's gone. So here's the actual helicopter itself. That is some really, really thin aluminum, guys. It almost feels plastic. If you ask me, it feels plastic. Painted chrome. I don't think that's actual aluminum, guys. Could be wrong though. So my battery would go right in there and then close down there with the latch. I've heard of some problems getting these batteries in here. Ah, there it is. There's a third battery, guys. Wow, that's 3 batteries. So the first one goes in like this. Wow, that's 3 batteries, guys. Now that's a steal. That means I can really fly this thing. I'm really hoping that transmitter works correctly. So this goes, I think this is constantly hanging out, or I'm not sure. So that would close up like that, and has these 2 latches here that you pull down on, which oh man, this thing feels delicate. So yeah, once you get that battery in here, you might just want to leave that one in there and change them out every now and then, because that battery door feels kind of, I don't know, not too good. Do we have a protected film covering this? Probably not. I don't know, maybe those are just stickers themselves. I very much doubt there is. It feels like it's just plastic. It doesn't feel like there's any type of plastic coating to peel off. But so far it feels pretty good. We got our other motor and rotor over here. It looks a little bent. See that? That looks better. It's got this long little like aluminum shaft here. Very lightweight helicopter. This doesn't feel too bad, although you don't want to get in a really good crash because it doesn't feel like it has a lot of memory in there, just like that door doesn't neither. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up, guys, and we'll have to get back to the video. So we got our on and off switch and LED there, some more LEDs right here and here on this side as well. In your rear motor, this is a 3-channel helicopter. So this is probably the end of my helicopter runs, so I'm really hoping this guy flies decent. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up and get back to you guys with a flight video. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching.